Ngồi đây đây đây. Con để ngoài đây đây.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hi, can you open your camera?
There.
Okay.
Fantastic. You are
Đây.
8
Hi, good evening.
Hi, give me.
You are
Okay, my name is teacher Mitch. What is your name?
My name is
the 9 and looks so happy.
What is your name? Can you say that again? What is
Con lúi đây để chị bước học rồi. Chị xuống học việc ấy. Chị xuống ngồi này đang chị học việc ấy đó.
Anh.
My name is
Đức Anh. Đức Anh.
Duc Anh. Is that right? Duc Anh?
Đúng.
Which one is?
Yes.
Yes, okay. How are you today, Duc Anh? How are you?
Khỏe không?
Are you happy
I'm fine.
or sad? You are?
3,
Are you happy today?
Hai.
7,
Vì học từ đấy.
7,
Yes. Are you happy or sad? Happy? Okay, say I am happy. Can you say it?
Hôm nay con hết
Happy.
Okay, very good. And how old are you, Duc Anh? How old are you?
Anh mấy tuổi?
5 tuổi.
Mấy? Năm là mấy?
5 là 5.
5. 5? Okay, let us say I am 5 years old. I am, say it. I
Nói
I
am
am
5
5
years old.
5 old.
Okay, can we repeat it again? Let's say I am 5 years old.
5 years old.
Okay, again. I am. I
Am
5
5
years
6
years
Oh, yes.
old.
old.
Yes, okay, wonderful. So, Duc Anh, before we start with our test, teacher is going to ask you, okay? Okay, now here eyes on teacher first. I'm gonna show you some pictures. Okay, here, eyes on teacher. What can you see? What is this?
Gì đấy?
What is this?
Book.
Oh, this is a book, but what's this?
Bút à?
Book. Shoe.
Shoe, very good. Okay, what about this one? This one?
9,
What is this?
Ball.
A ball, very good. Can we say, this is a ball?
It is the ball.
Okay, say this. This is
It is the
a ball.
ball.
A ball.
Ball.
Good job. One more time. Okay. This is a ball.
It is the ball.
Now here, what do we have in here? Okay. Oop. Oh, okay. Here, let me show you another picture. What animal is it?
Cat.
Yes. Can you say it is a cat?
It is a cat.
What about this one? What is it?
Cat.
Bên này, bên này.
Dog.
Yes. Can you say it is a dog?
Dog.
Again, it is.
The dog.
It is a dog. Okay, again, it is a dog.
Đọc đi.
It is a dog.
Good job. Okay, now, what about this? Okay, this one. What is it?
Fish.
Yes, one more time. Say, it is a fish.
A fish.
Fish.
It is.
It is a fish.
Fish. Can we say
Fish.
fish? Okay, do you like fish, Kikai?
Do you like it?
Like
Con
fish?
thích cá. Do you like it? Con có
Do
thích
you
cá
like
không?
fish? Yes, I
Yes.
do, or
Yes.
no, I don't.
Là to lên.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, I.
Yes, I do.
Yes, yes, I do. Very good. Okay, what about this? What animal is it?
Frog.
A frog. Very good. Can you say, it is a frog?
It is a frog.
Oh, look at the frog. What color is it?
Color màu gì nhỉ?
Màu xanh lá cây.
Tức là gì?
What color?
Ừm,
It is.
Color gì nhỉ? Color gì?
It is
Green à? Color gì?
Green.
Green.
green and
Ờ,
Màu đen là gì nhỉ?
màu đen là black.
black. Yes. Okay, again, let us say it is green and black.
Green,
And
black,
black.
And
black.
okay, look at teacher's mouth. Say and
And
black.
Black.
Good job. Okay. What about this? What is this? What animal is it? Oh, it is a moo. What animal is it? It's a cow. Again, what animal is it? It is a
Cow.
It is a cow. And what color is it?
Nó bị mờ mất rồi.
It is black
Black
and
Màu gì nữa nhỉ? Trắng à?
màu trắng.
Tiếng Anh đọc. White. White chứ?
White.
yes. Okay,
Wow.
one more time. Say it again. It is black and white.
Black and white.
Very good. Okay, now are you ready to do the test? Are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, say yes, I'm ready. Say it. Yes. Yes, I'm ready.
And ready.
Okay. All right. So, tell me if you can see the screen. Okay. All right. Can you see the screen? Can you see it? You do? Okay. All right. Okay. Now let us start.
Em biết học này.
And the star.
Yes. Okay. So, I want you to always eyes on teacher and eyes on the screen. Okay.
Không nhìn thấy gì.
All right. And also, I want you to listen to the sound and listen to teacher. Now, let's begin. Look and let's read the title of the lesson. Let's read. Farm
Farm
animals.
animal.
Very good. Now, let's read again. Farm animals.
For animal.
Okay, one more time. Say e
Như là
E I mồ à a
bé quá, cô là bé quá.
animal.
animal
Yes. Animals.
animal
Okay, say the sound of the letter S. Can we say the sound of the letter S?
Em đọc theo cô này.
Okay, now say animal.
animal animal
Okay, now let's say farm animals.
animal
All right, now let's go on. And first, we are going to sing a song. Listen.
Hát bài gì? Super Sweet. Mình nghe nhiều này.
Can you hear it?
Old
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a cow.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Meow. Oink. Moo. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say? Woof woof. Moo. Neigh. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack. Tweet tweet. Oink.
Yes.
With an
an
oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck cluck. Oink.
No.
Ba.
Yes.
A ba ba here and a
With
ba ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba ba. Old MacDonald had a farm.
con này
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow.
Meow.
đầu
Moo.
đầu
Quack quack.
Quack quack.
With a quack quack
Yes.
here and a quack quack there. Here
Here
a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a
rooster.
E-I-E-I-O.
What does a rooster say?
Bài con gì?
Ribbit.
đầu
Meow.
Meow.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, good job. Well done. All right, now let's look and let's learn some words today. What can you see,
Con
Duc
chó.
Anh? What
Nắng.
can you see?
dog
A dog?
dog
Let's listen.
Dog.
Dog, very good. Now, can we say, I can see a dog?
dog
Good job. One more time. What can you see? I can
and
can see
see dog.
a dog.
Dog.
Okay, again, let's repeat. I can see a dog.
I can see a dog.
Okay, say the word can. Can.
Can.
Good job. Say, I can see a dog.
I can eat the dog.
Can see a dog.
See a dog.
All right. Okay. Now, look at the picture. What can you see?
Cat.
A cat.
Cat.
Good job. Now let us say, I can see a cat.
I can see a cat.
Yes. What does a cat say? What does a cat say?
I see. Nhìn con nhìn thấy không?
Cat. The cat says.
Cat nhìn gì?
Thấy
Nhìn đằng vô em nhìn gì?
What does the cat say? The cat says meow. Okay. All right. Let's continue. What can you see? What can you see, Dig Eye? I can see a.
here.
Oh, what can you see? What's that?
Hớ gì nhỉ? Bò gì làm?
I can see a. Let's listen.
Cow.
Cow.
Cow. Okay, one more time. What can you see? I
Nhìn cô này.
can
Nhìn niệm
see
học đấy. I can see cái nhìn niệm
I
cô.
can see
a,
Gì? Học.
cow.
cow.
Okay, let's say it faster this time. I can see a cow.
Đọc đi.
I can see a cow.
Yes, very good. Good job. Now let's continue. What can you see?
Là tên cái lăng gì?
What is it?
That.
A duck. Good job. Okay.
Duck.
Now again, what can you see? Dig eye? I
I
Can see.
can
can.
see that.
Okay, faster, faster, faster. I can see a duck.
I can see a dog.
Yes. What does the duck say? Yes,
I-
louder.
I am
What does the duck say? The duck say,
thấy
See
What?
à?
is it meow or quack quack?
quack quack.
Quack quack. Yes. Okay. Now, what about this? What can you see?
Lợn là gì?
Mm,
Con lợn là
What
gì?
can you see?
Um,
What's that?
um,
Okay, let us listen. All right, let's listen.
Pig.
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 Yes. Okay. Now let's say it again. What can you see? Dig eye.
Pig.
I
See gì?
am
And
See.
see
a
Pig.
big
pig. Pig.
Pig.
Okay, say the sound of the letter P again. P, p, p. Okay, now this time say the word pig.
Pig.
All right. Oh, okay. Again, what can you see? What can you see? I
Chén ra.
I can
Xí.
see
Xí.
a pig.
Yes, well done. Give me a high five. High five to teacher. High five. Yes.
Rồi nghiêm túc nghiêm túc.
All right, let's continue. What about this? Okay, let us listen. We have a
Hen.
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 Yes,
Hen.
again, hen.
Là động vật.
Hen.
Hen. Very
Hen.
good. Okay, what can you see?
Can you see?
I
Như vậy lắm.
See.
I can
I can see
Ờ.
a hen.
Good job. Okay, now say it faster this time. I can see a hen.
I can see a hen.
Nhìn con
Nhìn
nào.
con.
Yes. Okay, so a hen is a chicken. Okay, it's a mother or a mom chicken. And what we have heard in the music is a rooster. A rooster is also a chicken, and it's like a father chicken, a rooster. Okay, now let's move on and let's learn a sentence structure. Okay, look at the picture. Let's read this. Okay,
Con ra nhìn ra.
what
Đọc đi.
What
animal
animal
is it?
is it?
Good job. One more time. What animal is it?
What animal is it?
What animal is it? Take I. It's
It's
Ý.
a
a
pig.
Đúng rồi.
Yes. Okay, very good answer. It's a pig. Okay, now. Next question. Let's listen. Do
Đọc được không?
you
You
like
like
dogs?
dog?
Okay, let's read again. Do you like dogs?
Đây này, cô đang nhìn ở đây con này. Đuôi.
Do you like dogs?
You like dog?
Okay, so Dick I, do you like dogs? Is it a yes or a no?
Yes, I
Do
do.
you like dogs?
Say
I do.
Okay, so if the answer is yes, what are we going to say? We are going to say, yes, I
yes, I
Do.
do.
Okay, again.
Do.
Yes,
Do.
I do.
Yes, này, I do. Đấy.
Yes,
I
I-
do.
Okay. Now, if the answer is no, we say, no, I don't. No, I
I don't.
I
No, I don't.
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 Cô.
Hello?
I đọc theo.
Hello, Dick I?
Don't.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Oh, okay.
Hello.
All right, you're back. Okay, it's freezing a while ago. All right,
Beep.
let's do. Okay, again, one more time. Okay, if your answer is yes, you say yes, I do. And if your answer is no, you say no, I don't. Dick
Don't.
I,
No, I don't.
do you like ducks?
Don't.
Học cho xong có là chưa tiện chưa học xong
Do
còn
you
thôi
like
làm sao được.
ducks? Dick I,
Mỗi gạo đang dạy con. Đấy.
what is your answer?
Mm,
Do you like ducks?
Do you like dog?
Okay,
Yeah.
what's your answer?
Yes, I
Yes,
do.
I do, or no, I don't?
I
Yes.
do.
Oh, okay. So I likes dogs. All right. Now next one. Let's look at here. Ooh, okay. What does the dog say? Okay, what does the dog say?
Say, đó nó nói như
Is
thế
it
nào nhỉ?
meow meow or woof woof?
Nào. Work, work.
Woof woof. Okay, let's try another one. What does the duck say?
Bạp, bạp.
Hmm? The duck?
Rồi,
What does the duck say?
The dog.
dog nó nói như
Okay.
thế nào?
Duck.
Whoa, whoa.
Nói với tôi
Duck.
đã.
Duck.
This one. Okay, what does the duck say? This one.
Dog say gì? Cô gọt. Ít.
Work, work.
Quack quack.
Cô gọt. Cô gọt nào?
Work, work.
Quack quack. Okay,
Quack.
what about the cat? What does the cat say? What does the cat say?
Cat.
Như nào nhỉ? Hỏi gì đó.
What does the cat say, Dig Eye?
Wow. So
Is
can I
it rabbit, rabbit, or meow, meow?
Mèo.
Con mèo thì nó kêu như thế nào?
Con mèo kêu mèo.
Con nhìn cô.
Yes,
Meow.
meow. Okay. All right. So you have already learned this sentence structure. Now let's proceed to the next page. Oh, okay. Dig Eye. In this task, we are going to look at the pictures, okay? And we are going to write the correct number, okay?
Một one.
Okay, now look at the first
dog.
word.
Con khào này, con bò này.
One
Okay, let us read.
cow.
Đấy đi.
One dog.
Con
Okay,
khào.
what is this? A cow. Okay, where is the cow? What is the number of the cow?
What is the number? One
cow.
Okay, what is the number of the cow? Can you find the cow? Dig Eye. Where is the cow? Okay, what number is it?
Con gì đấy? Con chó này.
Con mèo.
Mèo
What
đấy là con
number
chó.
is the cow? Its number?
Con chó. Con chó đây á. Mèo.
Okay, what number?
Chú mấy? Chú gì?
Two.
Chú đào.
Is it number 2? Let's look again. What is the number of the cow? Oh, do you know how to circle? Using your... Okay, are you using a computer or a laptop? Okay, do you know how to circle?
Chú ở đâu? Chú gì?
Okay, what is the number of the cow? Its number?
One.
Can you find the cow? Where is the cow?
The one.
Is it number 1? Okay, look, the dog is number 1. Now, where is the cow? Where is the cow and what number is it?
Con bò đang ở đâu? Còn mấy con bò đang ở đâu? Quên. 3 là gì?
1, 2, 3. 3.
3. Okay, so we are going to write number 3 here. Look. 3. Okay. Now, what about this one? Okay, let us read the word. Read.
Số mấy? Mấy? Số mấy đấy?
2.
2 là gì?
A dog.
Two.
A dog.
A dog.
Okay. What is the number of the dog?
Mấy? 2 số mấy đấy?
What number is it?
2.
Is it number 2? Where is the dog? Can you find the dog? Where is it?
Beep.
Where is the dog?
2.
Is it number 2? Is this a dog?
1.
Is this a dog? Yes or no?
Một con. Đấy là một
1.
Oh, it's number louder.
1.
1.
Number 1. Okay, let's write number 1 here. Okay, next one. Let's read.
Pig.
3.
Okay, a pig.
Pig. 3.
Yes. What number
là-
is the pig?
Con
Okay,
lớn
where
số
is
mấy?
the pig?
Con lớn.
5.
Number 5. Okay, let's write number 5. Okay, next one.
Con này đát số mấy đấy? À, con mèo là mèo đâu? Có gọi tên mèo nữa.
Okay, a cat.
Cat là mấy con? 1.
4.
Cat.
4.
Mhm.
Four.
Is a cat number 4? Okay, where is the cat? Let's find the cat. Where is it?
Cat.
Hmm,
No.
Cat. Where?
Không có. Chu.
Where is the cat? Number?
2.
Number 2. Okay, let's put number 2.
2.
Chu.
Okay, next one. What's the next one? It's a
5.
Đấy, số mấy đấy?
4.
number 4. Okay, let's put number 4. Okay, let's
Four.
write number 4.
4.
Okay, all right, let's check it.
Con
Okay,
mèo.
number 3. Very good. Number 1. Good job. Number 5. All right. Number 2 and number 4. Okay, very good. Good job, Duc Anh. Now, I want you to read the words again, okay? Read this. Okay, read this.
Có gì? Ở khảo.
Read.
Là con này. Có gì? Ở khảo. Đây này.
Cow.
A cow. Again, a cow.
Cow.
Next
Đọc theo.
one.
Cow.
Đây là gì? Đây là cô đọc theo này.
Cow.
Đây là a dog.
This one.
A dog.
A dog.
Đó.
Dog.
Next one.
Đây là a pig.
A
pig.
pig. A pig.
Okay, a pig. Yes, next.
Đây là con mèo. Con mèo là gì? Nhìn thấy con này. Con mèo. Mèo là
A
gì?
cat.
Cat.
A
A
cat.
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 A
A
cat.
Cat.
A cat. Đọc
Cat.
theo cô đi.
Cat.
Cat. A
cat.
cat.
Một con
Cat.
mèo. A
Cat. Cat.
A cat.
A cat.
Cat.
Okay, next one. Last one.
Cat.
A duck. Con gì?
Duck.
Say
A
a duck.
A duck.
A duck.
A
All
duck.
right. Okay, now let's go on to the next page. Okay, now we are going to fill the missing letters here. Can you remember the letters we have? Okay, look at this picture. Okay, it is a cat. What letter is missing?
Cat là có chữ gì ở giữa đấy?
What letter?
Cơ. Đây là
Chữ tiếng Anh là C.
C.
A.
A. C. A.
T.
A.
C. A.
Chưa biết viết được. No, con bảo no.
A. T. Okay, so this is how you spell the word cat. Look.
Nói với cô, I don't know.
I don't know.
Yes, okay, that's fine, Duc Anh. Okay, so what we're going to do is that you are just going to tell me the name of this animal because you can still write the letters. Okay? Now listen to teacher. What animal is it? What animal is it?
Bò có chữ nhà xí.
Si.
Okay, just tell me the name of the animal. Okay.
Si âu. Si âu. Si âu.
W.
W.
Yes, okay. So it is a cow. Cow.
W.
Okay, next one. What animal is it?
Dog là gì nhỉ?
It is a
Chữ gì nữa nhỉ? Chữ gì coi?
Bờ.
Chữ gì tiếp theo đây nhỉ?
dog. What is that letter?
R.
Chữ G là gì nhỉ?
Âu.
G.
G.
G. Okay, dog. Okay, next one. What's this? Okay, what animal is it?
Chưa biết.
Chưa biết.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, just tell teacher what animal is it. Okay, it's okay if you cannot spell it. All right, now tell me, what animal is it? Big Eye? What animal is it? Is it a pig or a duck?
Duck.
Yes, okay, it is a duck. Very good.
The.
Okay, what?
Duck.
Okay, what about this one? What animal is it?
Oh,
Just tell me the name. Okay, just tell teacher the name. Name. What animal is it? It is a.
Yeah.
It is a. The name of the animal. It is a pig. Pig. Hello? Hello? Big Eye? Hello? Hello? Hello, Big Eye? Hello? What happened? What happened? Hello?
Hello.
Oh. Oh, must be your internet. Hello? Big Eye? What happened?
Viết đi. Viết.
Okay, okay. I can see you now. You're back. Okay, what animal is it? It is a
It is a pig.
a pig. Very good. Okay, next one. What animal is it?
It is
What animal is it? It is a hen.
hen.
Yes, it is a hen. Okay. Now we are going to play a game. Okay. We are going to play a game. Now you are going to tell me what you see in the picture. Okay. Ready?
Go.
Okay. What is it?
It a
It is a
dog.
a dog. Okay, let's see if you're correct.
Dog.
Good job. Okay, next one.
Cat.
A cat. Very good. Okay, this one.
Duck.
A dog. Good job.
Gì đấy con?
Pig.
Đúng rồi,
A
con.
pig. All right.
Đúng rồi. Nhìn con đấy.
Pig.
Con gì đấy?
Right.
Bò.
Bò. Cow. Cow.
Whoa, very good. Okay, all right. Now, let us play another game. Okay, listen to teacher. Okay, and repeat after me. Say, my
Gì đấy?
My
pet
pet
is lost.
likes
Likes
like
bones.
bones
And it is,
and
it is very,
very
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 friendly.
friendly.
Okay, Dick Eye, let's guess. What animal is it? It likes bones. What animal likes bones? Can you guess what animal it is? And it is very friendly.
Con gì là bạn con
What
người?
pet is it?
Con gì là bạn con người?
Con gì?
It's a,
Là dog.
is it a dog? Let's see. Da-da-da-dan.
Dog.
All right, very good. It is a dog. Good job. Now let's continue. Okay, now repeat after teacher. Let us read. My pet
I have
is lost.
it locks.
It can
Can
It can
it can
see in the
See.
dark.
talk
And
and
it
it
likes mice.
likes
Mice. Again, say mice.
mice.
Yes, okay. What pet is it? It can see in the dark and it likes mice. Okay, what animal likes cats? What pet is it?
Đấy đi nữa, bà cô nhìn thấy cái gì ở đấy rồi.
Một con vật nuôi mất.
Mà con gì?
Nó thấy
Can
gì
you
em biết
guess
được.
the answer? It likes mice.
Con mèo à?
Okay.
Con mèo.
What
Là gì?
pet likes mouse?
Mouse. Mouse. Mouse là con gì?
Pet likes mouse.
Mouse.
What is it?
Con mèo.
Con gì thích
It's
con chuột?
a
Con 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 mèo là thích đuổi chuột.
Con mèo nhưng mà tiếng Anh là gì?
Yes, yes, it is a cat. Very good. Okay.
Cat.
Good job. All right. Oh, is that your sister too? Is that your sister?
Cat.
Your little sister? Yes, it's a cat. Okay. All right. So that's it for today's test. Thank you so much, Dick Eye. Okay, I hope to see you study here in Pantado. Oh, by the way, what is the name of your sister?
What is the name?
What is the name of your sister? Hello. What is your name?
Chị gái tên
Đố
là
ai?
Do I? Okay, you can study in Pantado too, just like Tigay. Do you like to study here? Yes, you do? Oh, that's nice. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank
See
you,
you
teacher.
next
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.